What's up everybody, MTmotoRIDER here. In this video I'm going to be installing new seat foam and a new seat cover from Seat Concepts on the 2019 MT-09. So I have put nearly 10,000 miles on the stock OEM seat on my 2019 MT-09. It's been okay, but it's not very comfortable whatsoever. After about an hour or so, I start to get the monkey butt, or whatever you want to call it. I've used Seat Concepts before. I went online on their website and just ordered the seat foam and the new cover, and I'm gonna take the old foam and old cover off of my stock seat pan and just use my stock seat pan with the new foam and new cover. It was a little bit cheaper than ordering an entire seat, and it also got to me quicker. But anyway, I will show you what I've got and kind of what I'll be doing. So let's get started. I've got the stock seat right here. I've got a can of 3M Super 77 adhesive. They recommend using that to kind of adhere the new foam to the seat pan, so then you can kind of work with it without it moving around and whatnot. And then on the end is the new cover. I chose the gripper seat with the carbon sides, which now that I think about it, I should have went all carbon because it may be difficult to slide back and forth on the seat, but we'll just kind of see how that goes. Anyway, I got to get set up here and try to get started on taking the OEM seat apart. To do this, you'll want to take the staples out all the way around the seat. You'll want to take your strap off, of course, these two bolts right here, this one here and this one here. And then of course the cover will come off, and then the old seat foam will come off. I'm going to get started doing that, so guess we'll see what happens. Alright, so I got all the staples out of the bottom, so the cover will just come off like so, and then the foam should come right off like that. There are actually two more staples inside the foam on this seat pan, right here on the inside and then right here on the inside. I still got to get this one out. Alright, now the new seat foam will just sit on top of the seat pan like so. Looks like it's a pretty good fit. That looks pretty good. I just want to see how it would fit first. I'm going to use this 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive to spray on the foam itself and maybe a little bit on the seat pan to hold everything in place while I put the cover on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and once I get that done, I guess I'll start putting the cover on. I may put one staple up here in the front as well, just like the stock seat foam was, just to hold everything in place. See, that's supposed to go all the way down like that. To actually put staples in the seat cover and all, I'm actually going to use a Arrow pneumatic staple gun. I actually bought this back in the past. I've actually done 2 or 3 other seats with a Seat Concepts foam and cover kit, so I actually bought this because it's a whole lot easier and faster than using a hand stapler. So I'm going to get this hooked up and put a couple staples in the foam to hold it in place, and then I'm going to work on putting the seat cover on. Alright, so I got a few staples up here in the front to hold this all to steel, so I guess I'm going to start trying to put the seat cover on and see how that goes. So I've got the cover over the seat foam, and I got a few staples in it to hold it in place. Now I'm just going to go all the way around it and staple everything down and make sure all is good, so let's get that done. seat cover on. I think it looks pretty good. It's probably not perfect. I see like a little ripple right there, but I mean, it'll work for me. I'm not going to be too obsessed about it. I think it looks pretty good like it is. Hopefully it'll be a lot more comfortable than the OEM seat. Let's get it on the bike and see what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to install the seat foam and the seat cover on the seat pan from the 2019 MT-09. Wasn't hard to do at all. Of course, like I said, I've done it a few times before, so it wasn't bad for me. I figured I'd make a video since I was doing it. Maybe it'll help somebody out that wants to do this instead of buying an entire seat, because it was a little bit cheaper. I think it was around $200, and then that includes shipping. Check out Seat Concepts website. They make seats for all kinds of bikes. I remember one of the other seats I did was a DRZ 400 seat, and that made my DRZ way more comfortable than it was stock. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.